Oh hey, welcome back, and today I'm getting straight into it and showing you the products I will be using on this wash day. My hair doesn't look too bad, but it definitely needs to be washed and I was dreading it. But when you have amazing products like these, it really makes wash day easier. So as you can see, I am using the cleansing rinse to wash my hair. It suds up really nicely and I love that, and it definitely does not strip my hair. Moving right along, removing my hair out of my microfiber towel. My hair is freshly washed and now it is definitely time to style. And my curls look poppin'. Now, as you already know, I like to wet my hair and detangle before I add any products. And this is what my hair looks like. Going in with the leave-in conditioner, which smells like cinnamon and is so moisturizing to my hair. I am applying it all over. Now for this specific wash and go, I am only splitting my hair in two sections and I'm just raking my hands through. I am not using any brush whatsoever. All I'm using is the wide tooth comb to detangle my hair, and then just using my hands, my fingers, to just rake the product in. Now I am going in with the Curl Supreme, which is a very thick cream, but I love it because it really adds that extra layer of moisture. It really adds a little bit of hold to it also. One thing I like about these two products is just that I don't have to use gel if I don't want to. So my hair is nicely moisturized, it has shine to it, and it has a tiny bit of hold, which is what I don't mind. And as you can see here, instead of adding more product, I'm just adding more water to my hair to just make sure that the products is nicely distributed all over my curls. Look at all that volume already. And this is my hair, still wet, but as you can see, it is really defined. I have a lot of volume. So if you already know, if you have a nice volume when your hair is wet, then you can guarantee you will have a lot of volume when your hair dries up. And this is my hair fully dry. My hair has a lot of volume, it has a lot of definition, but I also have a lot of shrinkage, which is expected. If I had to do this method again, I would, but I would prefer to just split my hair into 4 sections. I have a lot of hair and it just reassures me that each strand and section is fully saturated with water and enough product. But I was really able to style my hair fast and I really can't complain about it. So if I'm on the go and I need to do it fast, then splitting my hair in 2 works just fine.